Hey guys, welcome to liaai.com. My name is Liaquat and in today's video we will talk about microservices. For better understanding of microservices, let me take you through the year 1970 where use of computer was limited to research purpose and the achieve success. Then gradually people started using computers in companies for internal purpose in 90s. With the arrival of social media, website, software reaches every corner of world. And nowadays, we can't imagine our life without a use of software. As in, we want to order a food, then we use a software. If someone is searching a partner, software is there in the form of matrimonial sites, be it shopping or bill payment or ticket booking. Everything is done through a software normally known as application. Let's take this example of Amazon, the shopping website. Amazon has multiple services or features like users, catalog, payment, search, and shipping. If you are building a shopping website, then you have to assign a particular feature or services to each team for its development. They will merge the code to single repository to build a war if you are using a Java and deploy to any cloud server. Here we have developed different services and deployed in one package or war file. This approach known as a monolithic architecture or monolithic application. There are some drawbacks of monolithic applications. First drawback is a team dependency. Let's say you want to release a code, so you have to be speak with all team members before generating a final deployment file. This make your development slower. Second drawback is scalability. Now consider Amazon has launched discount on product and said big billion day on a festival or a new year day, then visitor load will increase on that day. Search and payment feature will more utilized, therefore Amazon has to scale the application vertically or horizontally. Vertical scale means the Amazon has to add more storage, RAM or processor. If you want to scale horizontally, that means we have to create new instances of same application. Here microservice has advantage as we can create individual feature as in services and assign to individual team for its development. Each services has known as microservice. If you have a 10 team, then you can divide entire application in individual services and that you can assign to individual team. Team can use different technology or programming languages. One team can use Java, one team can use Python, one team can use C++, or so on. We have to make sure there should not be a dependency on each other services and each service will be self-contained. Now these are microservices. So we can scale first service with 2 instances, second service with 5 instances, fourth and sixth service with the 10 instances. That will be based on the service requirement, not for entire application. If one service goes down, then it won't impact entire application. In monolithic application, if one service is not working, then it will crash the entire application. But this is not the case in the microservices. So what is a microservices? Microservices is a individual services and it self-contained service. Let's say we'll go to Amazon. In Amazon, search is a one of the microservice. User registration is a one of the microservice. Cart or catalog is a one of the microservices. Since we are using a microservice, then we have to configure all microservices to API gateway. API gateway is a one-time configuration and all microservices communicate through HTTP request.